Hi, Charlene Walker. Grandpa and I bought both of you this book for your birthdays, and it's a book called The Little Blue Truck, and it's written by Alice Sturtle and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Grandpa and I are going to read the book out loud so that sometimes you can sit at the computer, your moms and dads can turn it on, and then we'll read to you with just the three of us. So, let's begin. Horn went.
Beep.
Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road.
Beep.
Said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said,
Croak.
And winked an eye when little blue truck went rolling by. Sheep said,
Bah.
Cow said,
Moo. Oink.
said a piggy.
Beep.
Said Blue.
Cluck.
Said a chicken, and her chick said,
Peep. Ma.
said a goat. Blue said,
Beep. Neigh.
said,
Go on.
said a horse,
Quack.
said a duck,
Beep.
said the friendly little blue truck.
Honk.
Yelled a dump truck.
Coming through. It's big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Room.
Went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire.
Honk.
Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard or nobody cared. Then, into the mud,
Bump. Bump. Bump.
came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. No,
Hold together.
no.
And now, Blue and the dump truck were both stuck tight.
Uh-oh. Up.
Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Jump. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump.
They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were
Free! Thanks, little brother.
said the dump to Blue.
You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep!
said Blue.
Who wants a ride?
Everybody scrambled to jump inside.
Oink! Quack! Ba! Moo, cluck, and peep. Neigh. Croak. Ma. Beep.